Hello everybody, welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be a Dollar Tree haul. Hopefully I get to doing this pretty quick. I did went to buy a specific thing that I wanted to buy and I ended up with other things. It sounds like deja vu. I've been saying these things. I specifically, these things are for DIY, but I'm still going to show you because they're still cute and you might like them. Yeah, click down below to click where you can find all the information, where you can find me on TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram, and follow me there as well. Click subscribe if you haven't done so, and if you already did, thank you very much, and click the little bell to notify when I have a new video, and make sure you come back to see all my DIYs coming up. Yep, so there you go. Let's get started with the video. I'm going to get the other item that I have over here and I'll be back. These are the two items that I'm going to be showing you. I needed these for a DIY that you will also be looking, so please subscribe to do that. I got this voila cello wrap. These cello wraps are nice to wrap up gift baskets and of course other things like the things I'm going to be doing. So there is that. I got two of these rolls. These rolls, let me see, how much do they have? They're 30 by 72 inches. And I don't know how long, how much you have of it, but it's pretty little that you have. And then I finally found, I got these bubble mailers. They come two in a pack. There's the 3M ones. I needed that, so I got that. And then I also got these paintbrushes, which I was looking for because they're very nice. I have tried them before on the other items and they're very nice. The thicker ones I do use for my Mod Podge, and I'm going to be showing you because this is the 3/4, the 3/4 and the 10th. And there's the really thin one and the very thick one, and I believe I got 2 packets of those because I like the really thin one for my projects that I do with my Piggy Banks. I got 2 packets of those. Then I got 3 packets of this ones, and they seem to be a little bit different. Let me get closer to you. Look at this. They three in a pack, and they have the number 4. And this one, the next one is also a number 4, but the tip is a little bit different. And they have the number 8, and it's round at the top. And I believe this one's the same, but this one on the side seems a little bit slant or sideways. And then this one is number 2. The next one's number 6, and the very last one is number 10, and it's a bit square. They are great quality. It's from Crafter Square, so I do recommend. They're very nice. 3 in a pack, it's good, and the 2 in a pack, it's good as well because you get a thick brush. The next thing, arrows. This wood. Ow! I broke my There's these wood arrows, and I've been using this for a DIY as well. They also have those arrows that kind of end in a little flag here as well, but I like this one, so I got 3 for the purpose of that DIY that I'm going to be showing you. The next thing were these like ornaments. You've probably seen these before. I like that it has the little metal hook at the top. They are cute like these. I got 2 of the snowmen, like the 2 like this, and they do have a Santa Claus one that says Merry Christmas, but I don't want it for the front design. I want it for the back, like the actual squarish, because I'm going to be doing something else with these as well, so stay tuned for that, please. And I also got 2 more cups. These are like mugs. I do paint on them and sell them. So yeah, if you want to see that, you can follow me on Nena.creates on Instagram, and you can see all the items that I do there. I will include the link down below as well if you want to see that. And then I also bought this boa, and this boa has like feathery and fuzzy ones. Now I did find a very greenish one like this one at Hobby Lobby, and this was $3.99. Of course the length is way longer. Look at this. Look, that's the dollar store, and then the other one still keeps going, and of course it's thicker. But I had gotten this one before I got the other one, but there is that, and that was like the only one I found. They also had them in red. Then I got these hats for my daughters. They're like the little elf hats, and you can see these ones, they turn and they will turn green if you turn them upside like like this. Either if you want it red, green, or if you want it red. They do have those little bells. They're really cute. I also got 2 packets of these ornament fillers. Now this ornament filler is on the smaller side. They did had bigger ones before. If you haven't watched my ornament DIY, those other ones were bigger. This part smaller. Then I got these 2 ornaments. Now these 2 ornaments are LED. Right at the top, you can twist it and then they will do this. You can twist it back out and then they're finished. I got 2 of those. And then I got I got 4 of these little bottles. What are they calling these? They're just calling them jars. I'm going to be doing. So there's that. And my last thing that I finally found were the gnomes. The famous gnomes that they got. Ew, this has ugly things. That you would find them for $5 or more somewhere else. They're $1 at the Dollar Tree. So there's that. We have the gray one, which that's how the hat looks at the top. And then we have the 2 red ones, which are a bit different. Look at the hats. This has a little bit of gray, and this is just white and red. But it's very nice, isn't it? Screenshot, please. Found it. They're pretty big, and they're hefty. They also have ornaments with the gnome idea. So, but these are way bigger, so you get more for your buck, right? Yeah, that is all that I got from the Dollar Tree. Comment down below what was your favorite item that I got that you haven't seen, that I got and you haven't got, and you're gonna run now and get it. Yes. That is all that I have for you guys today. Subscribe if you haven't done so, and if you're there, thank you very much, and I will see you next time. I'll pop your bubble.